Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a very, very late night. It was so hot today. I couldn't even start mixing paint until after midnight. It was crazy. But it's nice and cool now, which is lovely. So we are enjoying this beautiful weather at 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Last week we did an awesome pour called Silk, which I really, really loved. And that was a wandering ring pour with some beautiful dark kind of Prussian blue base coat with some blue violet in it, and then we had pearl green and pearl blue, and we did a wandering ring pour and really stretched it out, and it really kind of looked like a silk scarf just floating in the wind, and I love the way that looked. So I want to play with that concept with a different color palette, getting away from the blues and that blue purple base coat which I've used for 3 pours now. Tonight we're using this awesome color, one of my favorites. I have actually kind of painted this previously loved semi-cursed canvas with it. This one is Golden's Benzimidazolone Burnt Orange, which is gorgeous. So beautiful. So, as you can see on here, really rich and deep. This canvas, I don't really want to talk about, but it looks really pretty on there. So this is our base coat color, and we're going to have it in the pour also. I really like to do that because I feel like it makes a three-dimensional kind of look of the rest of the pours sort of floating on top of this darker base, which is really fun. We also have here some Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which is the only pearl I'm using tonight. But I'm excited. I love this color. It drives this very beautiful light gold color that's very blingy and pretty. I really like it. This one is Pebeo Studios Iridescent Orange Yellow. Very, very pretty stuff. Nice and shimmery and pearly and metallic and gorgeous. So, and this one is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Light. So, this should be cool. I'm excited. We are going to be using my beautiful Fiona's modular split cup again tonight. I have it configured for 3 chambers. So, what we're going to do is we're going to put down our base coat color of the burnt orange, then we're going to pour our cup in a wandering ring pour, and we're going to stretch it out, hopefully to get some negative space. Keep negative space. Don't go crazy. Don't go overboard, Mina. I'm probably not going to fill this up all the way. Okay, so we're going to start with that burnt orange in the center. And I'm just going to fill that chamber up. Okay, and we're going to put our pearl yellow. Actually, we're going to stack these because I have 3 chambers and 4 colors. So I want to put a little bit of that in each of the 2 side chambers. We're going to start off with some of the pearl yellow on the bottom and put a little bit of the orange yellow in there. And then we're going to fill it the rest of the way up with the pearl yellow. And we're going to do that same thing over here. Okay, now we're going to put some, we're going to still layer it with that Naples yellow, but I want to put a little bit of this at the bottom, and then I want to fill it most of the way up with the Naples yellow light, and maybe we'll put one more little line in there, and then we'll put some more of the Naples yellow light. That way we have the iridescent orange yellow in the pour, but not all the way through it. So that's ready to go. Come here, my little cursed canvas. This is our base coat color, the Benzimidazolone Burnt Orange from Golden. Leaving a mound on a mound, but sinking into itself pretty quickly. This is just a smidge thinner than those. So let's pour our runway. Okay. And we do want negative space. So I'm going to kind of pour a bigger runway. Okay, that's so pretty. All right, are you ready? You know, I think I need a little bit of pearl yellow in there because the other one is fuller. Okay, it'll be fine. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. Here we go. stop there, as I do want to keep negative space. And if I go all the way off, then I'm not going to have any. Okay, we're going to put a little bit on the corners. Okay, I'm excited about this one. All right, so now we have the Naples yellow light and we have the pearl yellow. The pearl yellow is going to dry in a very pretty pale gold, and that's going to be our yellowish element. So this should be cool. I kind of like this better right here where we have the orange yellow in there. So we're going to go that way first. Playing away with paint. We're going to walk this down nice and easy. Stretch it out. Put a little bit of extender over here. Just going to get the flow extender to go over the edge. Bring it back. This side down. When the paint is thicker, then you can keep your composition better. Just barely go over. Back to the center. And now by anchoring both of those sides, we're going to really be able to stretch that out. We're going to go this way now. Don't really want to go off the corner yet there. Take it back towards the middle. And go off this edge a little bit. Open up those really pretty lines. Hi, teddy bear.
Teddy sighting.
Okay, so we got that going off that edge. We don't want to anchor that edge. Take this back down now.
Those are like Teddy colors.
Huh. Almost. What do you think of that?
Looks like an X Factor.
Kind of reminds me of the bat signal. It's cool though, I like it. Do you think we're done? Do you think this needs to come off of that corner or no? No? I like it floating. Alright. Torch this one more time.
Those gradations are going to be awesome.
Huh?
Those gradations are awesome.
Yeah. It's going to be really cool. This is the way you paint. I just want to compress this a little bit if I can. You really don't think we should go over that corner?
Nope.
I kind of do.
Do it. It's your painting. You asked my opinion.
I know.
It's yours. Leave or take.
It's just there's a tiny bit too much paint right there.
Looks like a Thunderbird.
Okay. There we go. I really like that. Okay, this is really cool. I love the burnt orange, first of all. I think that's amazing. And with the pearl yellow as the gold color, I think it's going to be really beautiful because those two are gorgeous together. And then in here, like HOA was talking about, where we have this gradient. Go away! No!
Dive bomber.
See what happens? Okay.
See what happens when you shoot outside at night? Bright lights.
Okay. I think we're gonna quit while we're ahead. I think the gradations are gonna be beautiful, and the little bit of the Pebeo Iridescent Orange Yellow I think is gonna be awesome too. So this is neat. I will show you guys when it is dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us and enjoying all these little experiments, and I hope you guys are having fun, because I am a lot. Thank you so much for being here. We'll be right back with dried results. Okay, here we are a couple of days later with our dried result. That looks very different than our wet finish. Welcome to the legend of the cursed canvas. I had actually painted on this one a couple of times and didn't like what happened, and then poured this and loved it and was very happy, and was watching the video from my overhead camera, and at the very, very end, while I was cleaning up, I was watching the paint start to move and pool in the center, which was not good. So then I ran into the yurt and was on my knees at 2 o'clock in the morning, tilting like a fiend, and ended up stretching this out a lot. But I will say that I do kind of like this one better than the original composition. I like it better because we've opened up all of these beautiful lines, and we see all of this gorgeous stuff that was in between that was compressed.
Gale's not me.
Yes, the wind is, Gale is here today in full effect. Look at HOA's shorts.
Canvas.
She's not cursed anymore. She's a beautiful star, burning brightly and dancing in the wind. Anyway, so the moral of the story is make sure your canvases are tight, because if they are not, then your paint will start to pool in the center and will crack. So even this one has dried. The center is still a little bit not, it doesn't look completely dry. Like when I touch it, it feels like it would probably be puffy underneath. Okay, so make sure your canvases are tight, spray them down with water, let them dry. You'll be good. Okay, so this is our burning star. HOA, could you give us a tilt and we'll see some of that, whee, the bling right there. Very cool. Okay, awesome. Very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and don't give up on your cursed canvases. Just make sure that they're nice and tight before you use them, and you should be okay. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.